AC/DC power supply. Types, principles, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at AC/DC power supply. You will learn principle of AC/DC power supply, types of AC/DC power supplies, AC/DC wall adapters, and AC/DC plug-in power supplies, applications and benefits of AC/DC power supplies, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the basics of AC and DC power supplies. Defining a power supply. Exploring AC and DC power supplies. Attributes of AC/DC power supplies. Building AC/DC power supplies. Functional capabilities of AC/DC power supplies. Variety in power supply packaging. Power conversion techniques for AC/DC supplies. Operational dynamics of AC/DC power supplies. Factors in selecting an AC/DC power supply. AC input voltage range. Output voltage range. Maximum output current. Output regulation. Space and dimensions. Enclosure and cooling. Temperature tolerance. Derating factors. Compliance standards. Chapter 2. What are the different types of AC/DC power supplies? Unregulated power supply. Switching AC/DC power supply. Benefits and features. Linear AC-DC power supply. Typical use cases. Capacitive transformerless power supply. Best suited for AC-DC wall adapters. Typical applications. Wall plugins, switch mode power supplies. Interchangeable input wall plug-in power supplies. JSU series power supply junction box. AC power supplies wall plug-ins level 6. Industrial and commercial use DC and AC wall plug-ins power supplies. How to choose the right AC-DC power supply. Chapter 3. What are AC-DC wall adapters, and what are they commonly used for? AC-DC wall adapters, essential power solutions for modern electronics. Wall plugins, switch mode power supplies. Interchangeable input wall plug-in power supplies. JSU series power supply junction box. AC power supplies wall plug-ins level 6. Industrial and commercial use DC and AC wall plug-in power supplies. AC-DC plug-in power supplies. Versatility for every application. Frequently asked questions. What is the difference between regulated and unregulated power supplies? How do switching and linear AC/DC power supplies differ? What are AC/DC wall adapters commonly used for? What factors should be considered when choosing an AC/DC power supply? Which power supply types are suitable for industrial and commercial environments? How do interchangeable wall plug-in power supplies benefit international use? Chapter 4. What are the primary applications of AC/DC power supplies? Applications of AC/DC power supplies. Benefits of AC/DC power supplies. Unregulated power supply. Switched mode power supply. Linear power supply. Capacitive power supply. Drawbacks of AC/DC power supplies. Unregulated power supply. Switched mode power supply. Linear power supply. Capacitive power supply. Power supply comparisons. Linear power supply versus SMPS. Conclusion. please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right AC/DC power supply manufacturers for your needs.